I'm trying to make friends outside of Facebook, but keeping the same principles in place. You understand, don't you? So every day I had to go downtown, I'd have a chat with all the passers-by and tell them what I've eaten, how I feel at the minute, what I've done and even the evening before, and what I'm going to do directly, and who I'm going to do it with. You've got to be a bit careful with that one. I'd have shown pictures of my family, me pet parrot, and me doing a bit in the garden, ailing things abroad in the garage, standing in front of local landmarks, driving round town, having lunch and doing things that anybody might do any day. I also art to them, having a bit chat amongst ourselves. I'd have given them the thumbs up, tell them I like them, and I tell you, it'd work a treat. Just like Facebook. I've already got 4 people following me. 2 are police officers. One's a private detective. And there's a psychiatrist. So that's a good result, isn't it?